So me is a landlord tenant, so me no depend none of the side them. So none of the side them no start talking. Me just the one way try to talk the truth, because me no know nothing about the two of them. I mean only D live and landlord like me really sit down and lay down in my bed and watch to the end. Me no watch no more body life, so me no know nothing about them. But based on all the one somebody I pray them come like where they call them things the leeches.
Share the life, please. Yeah, lead. Come take it, Urban.
You see what me I talk about? So you just have to talk, somebody have to talk one at a time. So you know what, have a bless up night and me I go back for the life.
Yeah, man, bless up yourself and thank you, caller. Sergeant, please don't say that and start that. We want everybody calling. No disrespect.
Yes,
alright, have a blessed night and thank you for calling, sweetheart. Bless up yourself. And next time you call in, advertise your page, baby.
Alright, love you to the moon. I'm back. Me so advertising, me just not ready yet because I'm kind of afraid of social media. So you have to take time with me.
Yeah, when you do that, just send it to me and me go and advertise it for you.
Yeah, but you see, you know, there's a devil's playground.
Yeah, but you still send it to me and me will advertise it for you.
Alright, I'll send it.
Bless up yourself.
Have a bless up night. Yes.
Bless up yourself, sweetheart. Sergeant, you are highly respected over here. You are the sergeant. You cannot start those form of mix-up. Please and thank you. You are rude. The two sides supposed to call in and have their speech only when they get disrespectful. But don't say that you know why the next side call in. If somebody want to call in, they are free if they can talk like this lady here. She said a real example of the calling. Me no want nobody a calling and talk about the sanitary with the, you know, them, no, none of those dirty, no. Clean calling or no call. Clean typing to or no type. Who again? Alice? Hello, get me put up. I don't like how your phone now move. 500 odd people that pay on afraid for calling. Everybody can call in. Good night, everybody. Share the live. And you're free to call in. Everybody has say same thing. Nice, Sarge, you're doing it perfect. But don't let the dogs out. Woo, woo. Hey, hey! This? Sawagwan. Nobody know, nobody hear them voice. Show no hypocritism then. Eh? Share the live. 500 odd people and I want call, you know, make everybody afraid for calling, so. Christine, bless up yourself. I'll make how far? Anybody have birthday today, bless up on yourself. Can write you up, rest as student them. We wish you a happy birthday. This I wanna call in, hang up. How are you going? Hello, good night, landlord pan live, you are live.
Good night, Erica.
Good night, sweetheart.
Yeah, Erica, I don't really have a lot to say, but all I'm going to say to you is that I not really like the mix-up and stuff, so all I have to say is keep on doing your good job. You don't need no crown from nobody because you already got your crown from God.
Thank you. I will agree with that.
That is all I have to say. You already have your crown from God, and I'm proud that you're my matey.
Hey, you are my matey. All right, my matey, have a good night.
Yes, my husband say you're a second woman. So
all right, Ozzy. All right, Ozzy, we know you go.
Nobody else but Eric. Erica, the landlord, can be my matey. You understand?
Hey!
So, my girl, just keep on doing what you do. Don't make nobody bring you down. Cause them can't walk in your shoes because you do what them now go do. All them have is mouth.
True.
You understand? You don't need to them crown because you already gonna get your crown from God.
Me crown long time. So me don't,
So
that one they couldn't fit for me.
You keep on doing what you do. Jackie and Wally love you.
We know man, Wally.
Understand?
Love you too, yeah, Wally. Me know you always love me,
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Love you, love you, love you. Me
Have
not
a
see
great
you
night,
send me
Jackie.
a message. Me send no little thing. I know much, but me know it
Thank you.
can help out. You understand?
Thank you.
Yeah, man. So, go on do what you do, my sweetheart. We love you. I will never stop love you.
Okay.
Can't wait to come to Jamaica to meet you.
Alright, sweetheart.
Fart pandem one more time.
Alright, one next time when they go on.
Alright, my baby, you take care.
You too, love.
Alright, baby, bye-bye.
Bye. You couldn't tell me if you stop at Dover St. Mary. Me just a come from down there. Sending out happy birthday to my sister, Carrie Ann Weber in Dover St. Mary. Carrie Ann, big up yourself. For your sister Marlene Holiness. Blessings. Who the next one? You see your next one, oh? Audrey daughter. Audrey daughter birthday. You should have called me and tell me name for a man. And me can make out that one there. Hey, go relax. Bless up, bless up, bless up. Jackie family. Respect. Love you and your husband very much. People send out happy birthday. Plus, Carlene run slow, but we still take them. Good evening, good night, good night. Landlord Palavo. We are speaking
landlord.
with respect.
Respect. Me say, like how you deal with the people in the other night, because they not no behavior. Me don't know what to wish she name there, but she won't stop the way she do. And stop blackguard herself and fast with the woman when I fast with her. And make up all sort of story she and Tanya chin upon the woman and tell pure lie. When they not do for them thing, allow the woman alone. I want draw you unite. Want draw you unite with them. Run the whole of them.
Long time.
Deal with them case. Yeah, man, deal with them case when them try to mix you up. Tell life to the woman how much tax, see? How much this, how much that, and she can't prove not what she talk about. And the more she talk, and the more people, sensible people are done it. Because the woman are do good. Look at my people. The woman help out with them, the problem with them in. You know how good it feel if you have a house, a roof over your head? You know how it is? And she just sit down there and that force some of them just walk in at the human footstep and try to do something. Help out people practically. Them not do nothing. Them only determined to pull her down, to pull her down. But my God, she don't really pay them no mind still. She just go and do her thing. And the more them talk, and the more she get to she forget. And the more people are getting.
Which is
you
true.
see? So make them go and talk. And you do your thing and where you do good.
Yeah, I'm kind of no business with people.
Watch your fire on people out of your house, you know. When you make up nice for them.
True.
And so me yeah, man. And me tell you so you're real. You're not real people. You don't have time to sit down and debate and all. scandal people and not a life on people.
It
From
don't smell no sense.
every angle, north, east and west. Jealous and bad mind. You see? Anyway, take care of yourself and go and do your thing same way.
You too, Carla. Bless up yourself. Have a great night, love.
You too.
The news carrier them go over here now and call in. Come in no there now, no enough. That laugh they not come. Not tonight. We not put up on the laugh there tonight. Alright, we are call back the caller we called before. The laugh they not come in. It's not the night for it. Good night, landlord pan live. You're live. Just miss a call.
Good night. Good night. I'm just calling in regards to the two petition that is going out.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm for Lady D. And the reason why is that both of them are Jamaican, and I am Jamaican as well. And I did some charity in an African country before, because I didn't trust anyone in Jamaica, so I didn't want to start a charity out there. I do come out and I do feeding, I do stuff, but like to team up with somebody with a charity, I didn't want to do it, so I team up in my church with a group of Africans. We were doing pretty well. I go to the country myself, I see stuff with my eyes, and when we went back, one of the lady in the team began to observe differently. And in the end, we realized that it was fake, because they told us that all these children are orphans. So we were supporting these children, schooling them, and we didn't make a fuss. We just call it a lust. We didn't make a fuss. We didn't do anything. We didn't carry on like this. So if Lady L is gonna say Lady D is scamming and doing all of this, all these big charity, they does whatever they want to do. So if you're gonna come out and licking out at another Jamaican, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. And she starts out by saying stuff, but it's the followers that boots her. And I'm sure I'm observing her. I do look at it. And the reason why, because I'm trying to really observe. Can somebody be so evil? Can somebody be so evil? Because I think she's gone so deep and she can't come back. She wants to come back out of it, but she can't. She's gone too deep in it. And it's the follower that is pushing her, and in the end, they're going to leave her like that. They're going to leave her. They're not going to go to the end with her. So I did sign my petition for Lady D, because I want this bullying. I want those bad behaviors. And it's not painting a good picture on Jamaica. You're doing a good job, and when I come to Jamaica, I'll definitely come, and I will support you as well, because I like what you're doing. So keep on doing it. Don't let anybody let you cuss. Don't let nobody make you cuss. Don't
No
let
man,
anybody
cuss
make you
off you
cuss.
come in there, man. Cuss off you come too. It's all in the game.
That's true, but I like when they give the joke. I like when I give the joke. I do watch you a lot as well. I like when I give joke. And I knew when I saw that crowning, honestly, I text somebody and I said, I'm waiting for the answer,
it's not
because
going to be jokes all the while. You have to understand, saying it's not going to be jokes all the while. You have to have a mixture. Because the people on here, they really change your vibes more time.
That's true. That's true. It's honesty. That's honesty. Yeah, that's true. But yeah, I want this to stop. It's from with the side up and looking at it. It's not good. Honestly, it's not good. So I really want this to stop. And if it takes this petition to stop it, then I'm up for it. So yeah, big up Lady D. Big up yourself, Erica.
Thank you, lady, for calling in. Thank you very much.
Yeah, all right.
Have a great night, sweetheart. Yeah, this call have some valuable points. May I try call them back or then call? Good evening, landlord pan live. Good evening, landlord pan live. You are live, sweetheart.
Yes,
No disrespect.
Mama, you do a good job.
No disrespect on
Yes,
any
my
side,
girl.
please.
Let out the puss out of the bag. Now make it dry and not make them go away. As the caller said a while ago, they want come out, they want stop and can't stop. Now make them put you out, landlord. Because you're a good woman, no make no girl dry out. Because they can't pay you. Big up yourself, mama. Love you, love you.
Love you too, sweetheart.
Yeah, keep the faith, my girl.
Big up.
Respect.
Thank you for calling, love.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, people, it doesn't matter how small your calling is, it still counts. Did I cover this? Or not?
I can't call you back now. I'm at work. I'll call you back later.
Alright, sorry, me just a call back everybody we call. Alright, well, somebody fresh can call in. Good night, good night. Good night. Hey, I promise. And when we make a promise, I will. I won't show anybody number. And I won't show nobody face. Not tonight. It's a call-in. So I won't show anybody number. And I won't show your face. Doesn't matter if you disrespect the life. Maybe I do something else. But I won't show your number to nobody. Tonight. Not tomorrow. Tonight. Hello, landlord pan live. You are live.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Okay, so what I'm saying is,
You need to turn down your live. You cannot call in with the live. You're going to delay by speak, you know.
okay, I
Turn
turned it
off the sound off of the live completely.
I did. All right. So what I'm calling about is, I'm a Jamaican, and I'm 46 years old.
Respect.
And living in Jamaica, I've never seen JLP nor PNP do what Auntie does for the people in Jamaica. Okay? The other lady on the other end, she keeps saying that Auntie is a scammer. Okay, that's understandable. But if you want Auntie Donna to stop doing for people in Jamaica, what you have put in place to help these poor people that this lady is helping? You know, she has something in place.
Valuable point. If you're breaking it, you got to provide to it.
You know what I mean? More than just want to stop this program. She claims it's a scamming scheme, but yet still they talk about this lady kids. They talk about her cake. They talk about what this lady has. At this point, I want to see if you got all these evidence on her, you bring it to the police, but not on social media, trying to drag this lady's name through the dirt. If you claim you have all this evidence and all who's behind you, all they talk about is nothing with sense to me. You know what I mean? Because when I look at what this lady's doing, my 46 years on this earth, I've never seen JLP nor PNP does this for people. You see what I'm saying? Huh?
Yeah, I see it.
I send money to this lady, and my money that I send to this lady to help people, I've seen where I'm pleased with what I've sent, and I've seen the great stuff that she has done. She might go overboard with the spending, but at the end of the day, I'm still happy because my money, you know what I mean, spend the way I would like it to spend, you know, because if I don't want something for myself, I wouldn't give it to somebody. You know what I mean? So she try to give people the best things, you know. They have a problem with somebody who pick up the money, okay? So, for instance, I send $100 and she gives somebody $2,000 out of it. I don't have a problem because Jamaica don't have jobs for people. That's like putting in money
Enough
in
time that
pocket.
same money provide food on somebody's table.
Yes, that's the point. And I don't, as a donor, I don't have a problem with that because that's putting food on somebody else's table. So I don't know why they have a problem with stuff like this. Okay? If she has somebody cleaning out the house, that bill, and she has to pay them, that's another job there. If job was in Jamaica, everybody would be in Jamaica because I love my country. You see what I mean? But we come here for better opportunity. So some people need some job. So she's even with what she's doing, sending them and let them pick up money and pay them. That's another job there. Cleaning out the new houses, that's another job. They're trying to feed their family too. You know what I mean? I don't see no problem. I would rather have a roof over my head than don't have a roof over, you know what I mean? Than don't have nowhere to